Stuck with a dead car battery and no one around to help? What if a single pocket-sized device could get your car running in seconds? Today, we're taking a closer look at the GOOLOO GP2000 to see if it's really the ultimate jump starter for emergencies. About the product, the GOOLOO GP2000 12-volt car battery jump starter offers 2,000 amps peak cranking power to start vehicles up to 8.0-liter gas or 6.0-liter diesel engines. It includes 10 safety protections, making it safe for extreme conditions. This versatile 4-in-1 device also serves as a portable power supply with USB outputs and a 400-lumen LED flashlight. Lightweight and durable, it boasts a 24-month standby time and features a rugged design to withstand drops in harsh environments. What's in the box? Inside the package, you'll find the GOOLOO GP2000 battery clamps, USB-A to USB Type-C cable, carrying bag, user manual, parts description, indicator, power switch, Type-C and 15 watts, 5 volts or 2.4 amperes, output port, quick charge output port, LED flashlight. How to use. Connect the red clamp to positive and the black to negative. Don't boost your vehicle when the red light on the clamp is on. Don't repeatedly start the vehicle in short time. If the vehicle can't be started at first time in 3 seconds, please be sure to wait 30 seconds before restarting it. Ensure 50 or above charge remains to start your car. Don't start a huge engine-sized car over the suggested max start engine. Don't start your vehicle if the plug is not completely inserted to avoid the clamp melted. Don't start your car if the products are blown up. How to recharge. To charge the unit, use the included USB Type-C cable with a compatible wall charger. Specifications. Safety precautions. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching.